the judges will be looking at these trainer posters to the exact correct height. They'll be looking for a exactly plumb on the wire side, exactly plumb on the back of the trainer. That takes care of any minor papers that could be in the trainer post. So the workmanship that goes into installing it has just got to be right up to the mark, and then you will get your 50 years life out of it. Tony Bowskill on line 4, pushing along with his posting job. He's not far behind his father at this stage. So he's going to be one of these competitors to really watch into the future. He's had a great mentor with his father, and now he's stepping into this. Nodders here, basically making sure that they're wearing safety glasses, the chaps when they're chainsawing, and all the other little bits and pieces, starting chainsaws correctly, borers correctly. So yeah, of course everyone's awarded with merit if there is a problem, and in the end we collate it all together and hopefully get a result at the end. And after the quality and appearance judges have been through, there's a team of mechanical judges. The strainers, we put an extra ton of pressure on behind the stay, 600 mil off the ground, and push an extra ton onto the strainer and measure the movement. The footed posts, we put 600 kilos of lift on them.
Second place, Jeff Jones. And now for a man who's going to collect these 13 golden pliers Fort Van Beers.